Look at this giant tower of mystery boxes. Quack.
Aha! I'll go first. A is for, let's see.
Quack. A is for alien. He is coming from space.
Greetings. Here are some gifts from my planet.
Ribbit! Thank you, Mr. Alien. These candies are magical.
Let's see. What's the surprise inside box B?
Okay. B is for bubbles. They are everywhere.
Ribbit! Ribbit! Haha, it's so fun.
Whoa, I'm floating. This is so much fun.
Let's see what the surprising secret is inside the C box.
Quack. C is for cat.
Whoa, look at his cool moves.
Hey, it's for aliens, small and green, dancing around the best we've seen. Alien, beep, beep, beep. B is for bubbles, round and bright, floating it up with all their might. Bubbles, pop, pop, pop. C is for cat, dancing around, cool, cool moves on the ground. Kitty, meow, meow, meow. A is for alien, dancing in space. B is for bubbles all over the place. C is for cat, cute little kitty. A, B, C, come learn with me. Join the fun and sing along. A, B, C. Hooray!
Don't go away. Let's find out what's in D, E, and F in the next part. See you soon.